I picked this course because A-level stats can train my ability to think about problems with data, as A-level stats is not only about calculating formulas, but more importantly is to understand the meaning behind the data, and it also trains me to collect data, analyze trends, and evaluate whether the conclusions are reliable, which I think this kind of data thinking is very important in today's society.
I think stats is a good subject to study, especially for what I'm going to do in the future, which is computer science, software development. So I'm going to need a lot of data handling, which is what A-level stats covers.
For a typical lesson, we will start with some warm-up questions and starters. We also do some past paper questions to secure that we know the topic well.
I really enjoy the variation of the questions. I like how, depending on the situation, the question gives you, so it's not always the same. So it's not always the same answer that you get.
I think stats place more emphasis on understanding and analyze, which it makes me feel very logical and fulfilled in the learning process.
When I don't understand something, the teacher he reframes it so I can understand it a little bit better. He makes up a new example on the spot so he can show how it can be done differently.
We have interventions once a week, and then if you have any questions, don't know how to do, or have some questions that you're not getting during the lessons, so you can ask your teacher during the interventions. I think stats has a lot of data and figures that you need to read. You are not only calculating formulas, and you need to understand the meaning behind the data, so you need to have a perfect conclusion in a test question.
Stats is more on the real-world examples, and maths is more of equations and numbers. I just like to work out different outcomes in different real-world situations, like from data given from companies that need to be handled.
Statistics is more relevant for me rather than A-level maths, because I'm studying accounting and economics, so I think more figures or data are more relevant for my subjects. I plan to do accounting and finance at university, and become a professional accountant in the future.
I'm planning on either going for an apprenticeship or study computer science at university.